back, love you back. All she did was leave a hole in your chest. You didn't get that job, even though you really gave it your best. And now you're wondering what's the point of anything at all. But let me tell you what, that's just life putting you through the test. Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now, and remember that the only way is up from here. You say you're getting old, but what do you know about what's to come? 'Cause what the future holds, nobody knows till the race is all won. So if you're wondering what's the point of anything at all? It's to live your life, live it right now, 'cause you only get one. Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now, and remember that the only way is up from here. The only way is up from here. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck and you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now, and remember that the only way is up from here. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I feel like I got no control. Oh yeah. I don't know what you do to me. Oh yeah. My mind is ready to explode. 'Cause you will never let me sleep. I'm running out of ways to save my soul. So maybe I should give in to you, boy. Oh, what am I supposed to do? Ignore my heart and cut you out. What am I supposed to do? You're in too deep. What am I supposed to do? I've asked myself 1,000 times. What am I supposed to do? You're in too deep. Oh on a pot of gold. I don't know how to get inside. Oh no, our weight is pulling both of us down oh so low. We don't know how to get it right. I can't decide if I should let you go. My heart is saying yes, but then my mind is saying no. I'm running out of ways to save my soul. So maybe I should give in to your boy. Oh.